Had a brainstorm. Had a really ripe plantain. So I put that plantain, mashed it all up. I threw in about a cup and a half of flour, half cup of lard, cup of sugar, some brown sugar, and a big dash of cinnamon, and 1 spoon of peanut butter. And let's see, about a half cup of oatmeal I had. So made a batter, and we'll try making some cookies with that. See what happens. So we'll let you know. Okay, got 15 of them on that pan. I have a feeling they're going to spread out and fill that pan pretty good. So I got the oven preheated at 350. I'm going to slide them in and see what happens. Well, let's take a peek. Well, they're looking like cookies. Took a few minutes to do some dishes, bleach down the kitchen, just to keep us clean and safe. So we'll see in a few minutes how them cookies come out. Okay, well, they're out. They look really good. I ate one, and it was good. It tastes a little banana, a little sweet. It's very good. So just threw those together, no real recipe, and tried something new. It worked.